Welcome back everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about how to do the perfect glue up. To sum up how I'm going to do this, I'm going to use panel clamps as the primary clamping mechanism for my glue up, but I'm also going to supplement this with some bar clamps. This combination actually works really well. It's fast, it's effective, it gets your glue up aligned very quickly. It makes for a minimum of cleanup and a minimum of trimming at the end of the process. So let's jump into it. I'll show you how I did it. So here I am gluing up a black walnut tabletop. I've got 3 boards in this particular glue up. Here you see me adding glue to the edges. Once I've got glue applied to all my edges, I then lay them across the bottom cauls. And then I take the 2 top cauls for the panel clamps and I apply just very light pressure at first. And I apply a little more pressure on my panel clamps, getting the surface nice and even. As I'm doing that, I clean up any squeeze out with a damp rag. Then I bring out my bar clamps and I start clamping the ends and aligning the ends and getting them flush. This is very important because I want a minimum of trimming at the end of the process. For this particular tabletop, I only had to trim off about 1/8 of an inch, which is really good. You can go around and start adjusting the pressure once your bar clamps are on. And again, I just go around and I just gradually increase the pressure just ever so slightly and then make sure the boards remain aligned all through from end to end. So I like how this is gluing up. This is nice. I'm going to leave it now probably for a few hours. I'll come back. It's around 2:30 now, so I'm going to remove the clamps this evening. So I'll leave this for quite a few hours. And then I will leave it overnight to let the glue fully cure up before I start working with it again. The panel clamps facilitate the entire gluing process and they really make it a lot easier to align everything. What the panel clamps do is they provide even surface pressure and edge pressure simultaneously so that you don't have to worry about it through the glue up. The secret to this is to only use very light pressure at first. One of the biggest issues that people have in glue ups is using too much pressure with their clamps, and that's when you get cupping and bowing and all kinds of issues. I'm doing this glue up in the middle of July and I didn't struggle with it at all. I had plenty of time, I didn't feel rushed, I had everything set up exactly the way I wanted it, and when the glue up was over, I was able to unclamp it and get a tabletop with minimal cleanup on the surface. In the past, I've used biscuits to do the alignment for the glue up. To be honest, I don't think it's worth the extra time to use biscuits because they're not adding any strength. I don't find using biscuits gets you any further ahead with glue ups. What I found is I could use the panel clamps to get everything aligned and make small adjustments before adding my bar clamps, which added the final pressure that I needed on the ends and in the middle to finish clamping the tabletop. The result is a nice flat tabletop with hardly any planing or sanding to do at the end of the process. In the description below, I've included a couple of videos on clamping, so you can go through those at your leisure. As always, I welcome your questions and comments in the comment section below. If you want to buy me a beer, head on over to my Patreon page. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. There's a couple more clamping videos over here on this side that you can watch. Until next time, thanks for watching and have a great day.